Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the items that I actually picked up at Harbor Freight for Black Friday. I was actually afraid that I wasn't going to be able to get some of these items. You guys might have seen my previous video where I went over some of the items that I'm going to be trying to pick up. Well, luckily enough, everything was actually in stock, and then I actually picked up a few more items as well, just some miscellaneous stuff. But some good deals they had on Black Friday, or throughout the week of Black Friday, really. I think there could have been some better deals. I think there should have been some more Icon and Hercules stuff, but I mean, it is what it is. They have deals throughout the year that are pretty awesome as well. And sometimes there's some deals that are, meh. So we're going to get into the items that I picked up, the original pricing as well as what I paid, and let me know what you guys picked up down in the comments. So first up, we'll start with the miscellaneous kind of smaller items and get into the larger items. This wasn't on my list, but I went ahead and picked up some of the 8-inch zip ties because these are the most common ones that I use. I usually buy big bulk bags of like 1,000, but I just go through these so often, so whenever they're on sale, I pick them up. These are originally $2.50. I picked them up for 98 cents. So zip ties, they're not the best zip ties in the world, but they get the job done most of the time, so I'm happy with them. Next up, the Grant's microfiber cleaning cloths, so the 12-inch by 12-inch, the 12-pack. I always pick these up as well. I do a lot of detailing and stuff, so having microfibers, even these cheap ones, are really nice. These were originally $6, but they're on sale, and I picked them up for $2.84, so you can never have enough microfibers. Next up, I picked up some more of the Thunderbolt Edge batteries, both AAA and AA, the 18 packs. They're originally $9, but they are on sale for $5, so I went ahead and picked up one of each. I always like to keep lots of batteries on hand because I need them. My son likes to go through things with batteries, and I don't like spending a lot of money on batteries because name brand batteries can be really expensive. So anytime these are on sale, even if I have a stockpile, I always buy them just in case. And then I also picked up a few rolls of these shop towels. I do prefer the Walmart shop towels, just personal preference, just the material, whatever. I don't know what the difference is, but I just prefer the ones at Walmart. But these are originally $3.50 and they're down to $1.98. So I picked up a few rolls of those because it's always nice to have a stockpile of shop towels as well. I also picked up a few things for my best friend back home as well as my family. So luckily, my friends and family don't love me enough to watch my videos. So even though I am going to show these, they'll never know that they're getting these for Christmas. I picked up the smaller Apache case, and this is for my father who likes to go ice fishing, which I figured this would be really nice for that. Let me get that out of here. He can put his wallet, phone, or whatever he wants in here. It's got a nice seal on it, and it has a nice little rubber liner inside. I was going to pick up a couple of the other Apache cases, but honestly, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. There's the little valve for it. I mean, it's a nice little case. Got a little cheap carabiner on there. Weatherproof, dustproof, impact resistant. This is the Apache 550, and this normally runs $14. I picked it up for $9.79, so I figured that's a pretty good deal for one of these small Apache cases. Next up, even though I own 3 of them already, actually there's one right here off camera, the US General Mini Toolbox in purple. I don't know what it is. The last couple years, I have really started to enjoy the color purple. I think it looks amazing, and on their stuff, it looks amazing. So if this was available in the 56-inch toolbox, I would be showing that right now, but that hasn't been released yet, so that will be later. So I just picked up another one for organizing random stuff. I keep knives, pliers, some spare knife, lubricants and Loctite, and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So yeah, picked up another one of those. But the new colors, the purple, gray, and green, are down to $15, and I think the older colors are down to $13 if I remember correctly. Next, I picked up a couple boxes of the 7mm textured gloves. I really like the textured gloves. I think I prefer them over the 9mm. So even though these aren't as thick, I really enjoy these, so I always keep a couple boxes on hand. And just like towels, you can never have enough on hand. That is the 7mm nitro gloves. These usually run $14 a box. They were down to $8.40. And since all of the Hardy gloves were 40% off, I decided to try out some of their other gloves. And at work, I work outside, even in the winter, and even though I don't like wearing gloves while I'm working because I need to be able to feel the tools and stuff, I will every once in a while wear thin gloves. So I figured I'll pick up some of the others, try to keep my hands a little warmer. I picked up the ultra durable mechanics gloves. Last 10 times longer. Okay, well, I don't know what 10 times longer than what, but they feel comfortable. Usually once I set the Velcro, I don't mess with it because Velcro on these types of gloves tend to wear out pretty quickly. And I like the gloves to fit snug. So these feel pretty good on the hand, so I picked those up. These are also typically $14 and down to $8.40. Next up, I picked up the Hardy Outdoor Series high performance gloves. Impact resistance, grip, and durability, padded palm. So I tried these on. They also felt really comfortable. And they have some with more rubber on the fingers and more padding and all of that, but I honestly don't like that style. This is pushing it already, but I feel like this will be a good one for me to use in the wintertime. Just something to cover my hands. So we'll give those a shot. But these high performance gloves are originally $13, so it was down to $7.79. So I mean, I think that's really good pricing, and they have tons and tons of other options for gloves. Next up, I picked up a couple of the Braun 500 lumen magnetic folding rechargeable slim bar work light. And, oh Jesus, I didn't mean to do that. I bought one of these for my buddy a few years ago, 2-3 years ago for Christmas, and he's been using it a lot, and it still works, but the joint itself has basically gone bad, so it just, whenever he uses the magnet to stick it to something, it just flops around. So he's got some zip ties around here to hold it in place. So I figured I'd just pick him up another one for Christmas, and I picked myself up one because you can never have enough work lights either. These are great lights, especially for the price when you can catch them on sale. These originally are $30 and they're down to $18, so I bought a couple of them. Next up, I also picked up the Braun Pocket Floodlight, 750 lumens, 3-in-1, high, medium, and low. Built-in magnet. Comes with charging. Oh, I didn't even know you could test it out. So yeah, that thing's that's pretty impressive. And they have this available in like 4 different colors, but this is also originally $30. Wasn't quite as good of a deal as the Slim Bar Work Light, but still a good deal. This was down to $23. Next up is another one that I just picked up for my buddy because he goes to the junkyard quite a bit. They do collision repair and mechanic work, stuff like that, and he found himself trying to use a bunch of your just typical bits, and he didn't have anything to remove some seat belts. So that was kind of a pain. So I knew he needed larger Torx and he wanted bit sockets specifically. This is definitely the way to go. I almost picked up the Icon set because the Icon set is $20. This one is $13. This was not on sale. This was not a Black Friday deal or anything like that. This is just something I picked up for him for Christmas. And I almost got the Icon set, but this one just has more coverage. This one doesn't have the T47 like the Icon set does, but it has, I think the Icon set like starts at 27 or 30 and goes up, and it includes 47, but this one just has a few more of the smaller sizes. I don't know if the Icon set goes up to T60 or not, but there was just better coverage in this one. T47 wasn't a common one that I use, so I figured this will get him by just fine, and it carries a lifetime warranty. So if any of these break, no big deal, he can still go and get them replaced. Now, if the Icon set had the lifetime warranty and this didn't, I would probably pick up the Icon set just because it's very common to break bit sockets or bits in general. So the fact that this has lifetime warranty and great coverage, I just went with this one. Next up, I picked up the Icon hook and pick set. This is the 4-piece set. They do have the larger 7-piece set, I believe it is. But this was an awesome deal. Probably one of their best Black Friday deals, especially as far as Icon stuff. They didn't have very much Icon on the Black Friday deals, except for the ratchets and basically this. I honestly didn't think I was gonna make it in time to get the gloves or the mini toolbox or the slim bar work light or the other light that I picked up or these. I thought all of that stuff would be sold out really quickly. Luckily, I got there before most people are off work. So I did end up finding everything I wanted to, plus some more. But I just recently picked up the Torx screwdriver set. And do I need more picks? Absolutely not. Did I buy them anyways? Absolutely. Stupid box. I think I have like 4 or 5 different pick sets already, but they do tend to, the cheap ones will break, the more expensive ones will bend. I've heard good things about these, and it's a nice little set, little 4-piece set, little brushed coating on there. The Icon handle design, pretty dang comfortable. I mean, it's a pick set, so you're not going to be really applying torque or anything like that, but comes in the nice little tray. So yeah, I picked that up. This is originally $20. It was on sale, and I picked this up for $9.98, or $10. So definitely a great buy for the 4-piece hook and pick set. Next up, I picked up the Icon Gen 1 low profile 90-tooth 1/4-inch drive ratchet. If you want to pause, you can do that. I'll probably do a full video on this. I wanted to pick up some Icon ratchets to do some comparisons because I already have 30 or 40 ratchets, but I want to do some comparisons. Well, like also 40% off the Icon ratchets. Didn't matter if it was Gen 1 or Gen 2. So I picked up one of the Gen 1s. So you got your little cleaning cloth there, then your little tray. There's the 1/4-inch low profile 90-tooth. Ooh, might have to take this apart and lubricate this thing because it's smooth, but there's a lot of back drag on that. I wouldn't say it's a Craftsman V-Series bad, but I heard there was a huge improvement over these to the Gen 2, so I think the Gen 2s have a lot less back drag, but I heard that it's pretty easy to improve these just by disassembly and lubricating, so we'll go ahead and do that. But it is the Comfort Grip version and fixed head. That is the first ratchet that I picked up. This was originally $33 and it was on sale 40% off, $19.79. So I mean, under 20 bucks, that's a good deal for any ratchet, really. I mean, as long as it's not your generic ratchet design. So then next up, we picked up the Icon G2 1/4-inch drive 12.5-inch extra long ratchet. I was originally going to try and pick up the flex head or the locking flex head G2 ratchets, but they were actually out of those. But the general idea was to just get a 1/4-inch and 3/8 ratchet. I was able to get a 1/4-inch. It just wasn't the specific one that I originally wanted, but not a big deal. I have plenty of other ratchets. Doesn't really matter what design I ended up with. So this comes in a little plastic, hard plastic tray with a nice little zip tie on the back there. Nothing like a harpoon Tonto. Jiminy Christmas. Really worried about securing this to the plastic. I feel like that's a little excessive, but whatever. So here is the extra long 12.5-inch 1/4-inch drive ratchet. The part number on it. Fully sealed head, 72 tooth. Yeah, definitely less back drag on the Gen 2s. Lower tooth count, only a 72 tooth, but I mean 72, 90, I don't mind either one. as long as they operate correctly. 1/4 inch long boy. I only have one other ratchet this long, and it's my extra long Capri locking flex head. So having a non-flex head version of that, I'm okay with. So we'll have a full review on this one as well, but definitely feels much smoother than the other one. This 1/4 inch drive ratchet is normally $45, and it was on sale down to $27. So for an extra long, once again, I think that's a good price. Next up, we got the Icon G2 3/8 drive. There you can see the part number, 20 inch, extra long. Go ahead and get this packaging off. And then same thing. This is just completely overkill. If somebody was gonna steal the ratchet, they're gonna steal it. This zip tie isn't gonna stop them. All right, so we got that one out of the packaging. Definitely a dumb design on that. Whatever, but got some good length here, the comfort grip handle. So just like snap on with the part number at the base above the comfort grip. Chrome looks good. Reverse switch operates nicely. Definitely smooth. Big improvement over the Gen 1s. This ratchet is originally $60 and it is on sale at $36. So I think that's a fantastic price for a ratchet this size. But that is everything that I picked up at Harbor Freight on Black Friday. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the items I picked up. Let me know what you guys picked up during Black Friday and if you're impressed with it or if you're having issues. But that's what I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I'll see you guys next time.